AI is everywhere, but most tools still live on your laptop or in the cloud. What if AI could fit in your pocket, ready to work the second you need it? This tiny device is the Mobvoi TicNote AI Voice Recorder. It's smaller than your phone, yet it can record hours of conversations, transcribe them instantly, summarize the key insights, and even translate in real time. I've been using it for weeks, in meetings, during class, and daily life, and honestly, it feels like having a personal AI assistant that never misses a detail. Let me show you why this thing might be one of the most practical AI gadgets you'll ever own, and you can carry it with you everywhere. Let's start with the design, because honestly, that's the first thing that surprised me about this device. The TicNote AI Recorder is about the size of a credit card, slim, flat, and super portable. It slips into your pocket, wallet, or bag without taking up any space and feels incredibly natural to carry around. Unlike chunky gadgets that feel like an extra burden, this one just disappears into your everyday setup. The finish is smooth and minimal, with a premium feel, and it's clearly built to last. And here's the cool part, it's MagSafe compatible. For iPhone users, you can simply snap it onto the back of your phone, and it just stays there. For Android users, you get a MagSafe ring included, so you can make any phone compatible. Despite being so thin and compact, it still packs 64 GB of storage. That's up to 800 hours of audio. So you're not just getting a tiny gadget, you're getting a powerful, long-term recording tool that's always ready when you need it. One of the most impressive features is the built-in AI noise reduction. Think about how many times you've tried to record in a noisy environment, a coffee shop, a busy classroom, or even an office buzzing with conversation. Normally, recordings like that turn into a jumble of voices and distractions. With TicNote, the AI automatically filters out background noise and focuses on the speaker's voice. The result is a crisp, clear recording that sounds like it was captured in a studio. This isn't just useful for content creators. It's invaluable for students who want clean lecture notes, or professionals who need sharp meeting recordings. With noise reduction, distractions fade and voices pop. Noise reduction off.
Do you think gear matters? It does. Depending on what you want to do, you need the right gear.
Noise reduction on.
Do you think gear matters? It does. Depending on what you want to do, you need the right gear.
Hear the difference? Clean, focused audio that's study-ready. One of the smartest features of the TicNote is translation. That means if someone is speaking in another language, you can see the translation appear instantly while they're talking. Beyond real time, TicNote supports over 100 languages in total for transcription and translation. So even if you're working with less common languages, the recorder still helps you capture the meaning and convert it into your preferred language. This makes TicNote perfect for travelers, international students, or professionals who collaborate with global teams. It doesn't just record conversations, it breaks down barriers. Now, here's where the AI software really shines. Once your recording is done, TicNote doesn't just give you a transcript, it creates a summary of the key points. That means no more digging through pages of notes to remember what was said. Students can walk out of a lecture with an instant study guide. Professionals can leave a meeting with action points already outlined. And because the TicNote app is available on both the App Store and Play Store, these summaries are just a tap away, no matter what phone you use. Another feature that makes a huge difference is automatic mind mapping. Imagine recording a brainstorming session, and instead of scrolling through text, the app organizes the conversation into a visual map, showing main topics, subtopics, and the connections between ideas. It's like having a whiteboard that builds itself in real time. This is especially powerful for teams, project planners, or students working on research. You can literally see the structure of your discussion without lifting a marker. Instead of a flat list, you have a structured visual map that shows how every piece connects. You can instantly see what's important, who's responsible, and how everything ties back to the main project. It's like walking out of a meeting with a ready-made project blueprint, without ever touching a whiteboard. Head over to the official TicNote Cloud site and see what the full app experience has to offer. You can record voice notes, get instant summaries, transcribe meetings, map out your thoughts visually, and even bounce ideas off their built-in shadow AI. It's all designed to help you stay focused and get your best work done. The great thing? Most of these tools are completely free. You don't need to upgrade unless you're working on something bigger like professional or business-level projects. And if you are, there are flexible packages to choose from, so you only pay for what you actually need. Give it a try. You might be surprised how much easier things get with TicNote by your side. At the end of the day, the Mobvoi TicNote AI Recorder is more than just a recorder. It's a complete productivity tool, combining crystal-clear noise reduction, automatic summaries, visual mind maps, and real-time translation in one compact device. And the best part? The TicNote app is available on both the App Store and Play Store, so no matter what phone you have, you can unlock the full power of this recorder. If you're a student, a professional, a traveler, or just someone who values clear, organized notes, this device could truly change the way you work and learn. Small enough to fit in your pocket, smart enough to become your personal assistant. Check the link in the description and the pinned comment to learn more. Once you start using it, it feels essential. I'd love to hear from you. Which TicNote feature would you use the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more top tech picks. Stay connected. Stay productive.